Hey, this is Miss Maggie. Welcome to my platform, PSA. What does that stand for? Protecting Starving Artists Everywhere. With PSA Entertainment. Hey y'all, this is Miss Maggie May, and this is my platform, PSA. What does that stand for? Protecting Starving Artists Everywhere. I will be reviewing music, books, and spoken word poetry. I have a long list of promises that I am going to keep. Once I'm done with that, I will open the door for you guys to send me more of your art. Thank you so much for everything that you guys do for me and support me in.